Want to know the secret to making $10,000 a month without ever touching a single product? Imagine setting up a business that practically runs itself, earning you thousands while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Welcome to the world of dropshipping, where the right strategy can turn your financial dreams into reality. In this video, we'll guide you through the easiest steps to achieve this income goal. Don't miss out on these valuable insights. Hit that subscribe button and stay updated on all our latest tips and tricks for building a successful online business. Step 1. Create your business. Before diving into dropshipping, you need to set up a legitimate business. Registering as an LLC or S Corp is the easiest way to go about this. While the specific rules might vary based on your location, these structures are typically straightforward to establish. You could complete the necessary paperwork in a day or two, ready to be submitted. Handling this process on your own is possible, but consulting a professional can ensure everything is correctly filled out, avoiding potential pitfalls. Don't get bogged down here. Once it's done, you'll have a strong foundation to grow your business. This step is essential for two main reasons: liability and legitimacy. Let's talk about liability first. When selling products online, you need to protect yourself from any potential issues. Imagine if a product malfunctions and causes harm to a customer. They could sue you, which could be financially devastating. Having an LLC or S Corp status helps shield your personal assets, like your money and home, from being targeted in such lawsuits. It provides a safety net, giving you peace of mind knowing your personal belongings are protected. Now, on to legitimacy. Officially establishing your business boosts your credibility. To hit that $10,000 a month mark, you need to partner with reliable suppliers. These suppliers are more likely to work with businesses that appear serious and professional. Having an LLC or S Corp status signals that you're committed and legitimate. Suppliers want to know they're dealing with a credible entity, not just someone dabbling in online sales. So, setting up your business properly from the start is a vital step. It's about protecting yourself and establishing the trust and credibility needed to attract high-quality partners and suppliers. This groundwork sets the stage for everything else you'll do in your dropshipping venture. With a solid legal structure in place, you're ready to move forward confidently, knowing you've covered your bases and presented yourself as a serious contender in the business world. Step 2. Pick a high-ticket item centered on passion or utility. With your business officially established, it's time to choose a product to sell. This decision is crucial, so take your time and make it wisely. Opt for high-ticket items, which typically have a price point of $500 or more. These products help you reach your income goal faster. For instance, if you make $1,000 in profit from a single sale, you only need 10 sales a month to hit that $10,000 mark. Focusing on high-ticket items simplifies your sales strategy. Instead of trying to move thousands of low-cost items, you can concentrate on a few significant transactions. This not only makes your job easier, but also helps you scale your business more efficiently. Think about products that people are passionate about, or those that serve a utility. Passion products often include hobbies or collectibles that customers feel strongly about. Utility products, on the other hand, are everyday essentials that people need to function smoothly. Finding a niche is vital. A well-defined niche allows you to build a focused, comprehensive website that serves as the hub for your sales. When picking your niche, consider what excites people or what they find essential. Passion-driven items could be anything from high-end sports equipment to luxury pet accessories. Utility-focused items might include advanced home appliances or top-notch office equipment. Once you have identified your niche, research the brands doing well in that space. Look for products with a proven track record and a loyal customer base. Target these customers by offering superior service and a seamless shopping experience. By focusing on passion or utility and choosing high-ticket items, you'll create a compelling offer that resonates with your audience. This approach ensures that your business not only meets but exceeds your financial goals. Step 3. Sign up for Shopify and create your website. With your business established and niche selected, it's time to build your website. Shopify stands out as one of the best e-commerce platforms for this purpose. It's quick to set up, user-friendly, and affordable, making it ideal for entrepreneurs looking to hit the ground running. When designing your website, keep flexibility in mind. While it's crucial to have a niche, avoid making it too restrictive. For instance, if you decide to sell hats, don't confine yourself to winter hats with faux fur. Instead, opt for a broader domain name like allhats.com rather than fauxforwinterhats.com. This broader approach allows you to pivot and adapt if a specific product doesn't perform as expected. Your website's design plays a pivotal role in converting visitors into customers. Consider what makes a website appealing to you: clear and cohesive themes, easy navigation, and trust signals like reviews and secure payment icons. Your site should embody these elements. High-quality images are essential. They grab attention and convey professionalism. Engaging, well-written content can also make a significant difference, providing visitors with valuable information and keeping them interested. The layout of your website should be intuitive, ensuring users can find what they're looking for without hassle. Think of it as setting up a physical store. Everything should be organized and aesthetically pleasing to encourage customers to stay and explore. An attractive, user-friendly website not only helps in converting visitors into buyers, but also attracts reliable suppliers who are more likely to partner with a professional-looking business. In addition to visuals and content, ensure your website is optimized for mobile use. A significant portion of online shopping is done via smartphones, so a mobile-friendly design is essential. Regularly update your site to keep it fresh and relevant, and consider integrating features like live chat to provide instant customer support. By building a flexible, well-designed website, you lay a solid foundation for your dropshipping business, setting the stage for growth and success. Step 4. Find suppliers and join their wholesale program. Finding suppliers can seem daunting, but it's simpler than you might think. Suppliers want to reach more customers, and you can help them do that. Once you find a product that fits your niche, a quick Google search can help you find the supplier's contact info. Call them and express your interest in opening a wholesale account. Show them your LLC status, explain your niche, and present your professional website. This approach works most of the time, leading to a conversation and eventually a wholesale partnership. Step 5. Run Google Ads. With your business and website set up and suppliers ready, it's time to drive traffic to your site. Google Ads are effective because they target people actively searching for your products. Setting up Google Ads is straightforward. Follow Google's guidelines to target the right demographics and keywords. This helps direct potential customers to your site. If you're selling high-ticket items, a few sales can quickly add up to $10,000 a month. Focus on creating sustainable, targeted ads rather than flashy, expensive campaigns. Once you've established a successful dropshipping operation, replicate the process to scale up. Secure more suppliers and run additional ads. You might even create another website for a different niche. By continuously building, you can steadily increase your income. There you have it, the 5 steps to making $10,000 a month with dropshipping. It's all about setting up your business correctly, choosing the right products, building a flexible website, securing reliable suppliers, and driving targeted traffic to your site. Stay consistent and you'll see results. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips on building a successful online business.